So today guys, we're going to be making you a strawberry margarita, but more important than the drink we're making you, is what we're going to make it in. So we'll introduce you to the Ceado B285 heavy duty silent blender. So what makes this a fantastic blender? It's got a 1300 watt motor, perfect for crushing heavy ice. It also has stainless steel blades, which never need sharpening. A manual up and down speed adjustment, should you wish to use it like that. It's also got 6 pre-programmable and Bluetooth friendly programs, as well as a pulse option. So I don't know about you, but I'm thirsty, so let's crack on. Pop the product in there and close the soundproof lid. We're going to use Program C, that's perfect for fruit drinks with ice. It's going to start with a slow speed, go up to a high speed to really crush that ice up, and then come down to a nice medium speed just to finish the product off. Let's have a look at the Sylvester Keel Mocktails. So if you need any help with recipes or ingredients, there's a perfect Ceado app which will really help you with this. Today we've made the frozen products, and there is a list of all of the ingredients that we've used, the method to recreate the mocktail that we've made today. So if you're interested in this blender for your cocktails, smoothies or milkshakes, give us a call on the office number, we'll be happy to help.